It's Kitchen Courses with Kate and Eric.
Hi, Kate.
Hi, Eric. How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you think they missed us?
I think they did.
Did you miss us? Well,
Comment below.
I feel like that was the perfect opportunity to say that. But I was like, should we say that? Oh, Eric, you're on top of it. So we took a little bit of a hiatus, but we're back with a few great spring and summer recipes that we hope that you're able to try and enjoy. And today we have a very kind of pink and purplish themed menu, wouldn't you say?
Yes.
Yes. Not intentionally.
No, not like St. Patrick's Day.
No, that was intentional. But we were just, if you think about just like fresh summer flavors, we started, the drink for today is this wonderful hibiscus lemonade with some vodka and some triple sec. So you can actually make the hibiscus lemonade without you don't have to put any alcohol in it. So if you just want something that's refreshing and wonderful and yummy for the summer, this drink is just, I really like it. What do you think?
Yeah.
But you're like, no.
But I love vodka. They would still want to add the simple syrup, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Speaking of simple syrup,
Yeah.
how do we make this concoction of deliciousness?
So there are, should I say, there's going to be kind of, it's like a 4 steps, but they're 4 easy steps. So the first step is to make, step 1 is to make your hibiscus tea. So I just used hibiscus tea bags from the grocery store. This was a hibiscus raspberry mix. And it was 4 cups of kind of boiling water and 6 tea bags. And you want more tea bags to water ratio because you really want to get a good concentrating that hibiscus flavor. And let it steep for about 15 minutes. And then you're going to want to let it cool before moving on with the recipe. At the same time, you can make some simple syrup. So simple syrup, do you remember what I said about simple syrup?
That it's equal parts water and sugar?
Excellent!
In a jar.
In a jar. So I actually made...
Dissolve.
Yeah, I made the simple syrup at the same time that I brewed the tea. So I just put a cup of sugar in a mason jar and I poured a cup of water, hot water over it and just mixed it and let it cool as well. So that's step 2. Step 3, and we don't actually have this on video, is I just juiced about 5 lemons to get a cup of lemon juice. Assembling everything. So you're going to want to take and you're almost making a lemonade, right? So you're going to take 4 cups of water, 1 cup of the lemon juice, and 1 cup of the simple syrup. And just put it into a pitcher. Make sure your pitcher is big enough. Ours was not, so we had to kind of improvise. You then add the 4 cups of hibiscus tea, and then you're going to top that off. If you're adding a vodka and triple sec, a cup of vodka and a 1/4 cup of triple sec.
Step 5, us drinking this.
Yes.
Chin chin.
Chin chin. It's just... You're thirstier. Oh my gosh.
Couldn't do it.
You couldn't do it. That's because there's a lot in this glass. Were you really trying to down the whole
Yeah.
thing? Oh my god.
Wait, let's see if I can just cut it together.
Don't try this at home. There you go. Do you have a brain freeze?
Kate likes to sip.
I do like to sip. Box below. So you just built like a whole pergola and deck, right? At your new house.
There is a pergola.
Okay.
The patio is forthcoming.
Oh, the patios, but you did a pergola.
Yes.
So can't you see in like your newly bought beautiful furniture, just kind of lounging out in the summer under the pergola, like sipping, not gulping down, but sipping this hibiscus lemonade?
Yes.